Hi everyone, this is Karam Kazan, and I help lead a Web3 engineering collective called Dog with my friend and co-founder Logan Larkin. And we are a small group of engineers, mostly friends. We're about 40 people, and time to time we take on projects where we help our partner companies or friends to ship Web3 related products. And on the side, we just like learning together. And as of last week, we decided to launch a new learning project. And we also decided to do it in public. And basically, we're going to be building a decentralized social media experience from the ground up. It's going to be end to end. It's going to begin with the smart contracts. It's going to go all the way up to the user experience. And we're just going to figure it out and do basically freestyle together. There are a lot of parts that we don't fully know or understand, but we will just figure it out. So let's go into the project. This is our website. This is our Twitter at whatsgood.dog. This is me on Twitter at Mechanical Kazan, and this is my co-founder Logan at Logan Larkin. So let's dive into the project. Basically, we want to optimize learning here. That's the most important part. And as such, we're just going to be trying a bunch of new things and technologies. It's not ideal for a production environment, but that's not the goal here. So that's number one. Number two, we don't want to overplan. We just want to start coding as soon as possible. Again, the goal being to learn together. So let's write down the components that we landed on. Basically, we're going to begin with the smart contracts. On a normal production level code base, smart contracts are not going to have everything they do in our project. Our project, we decided to keep the majority of the data on chain, and usually you don't do that. In fact, we rarely do that, but it's good enough for our purposes. And it's going to contain things like posting a message, including the message itself, liking a message or a post, replying to a post, following someone, or unfollowing them. All of these are going to be on-chain actions. Again, not ideal for an actual production level project, but it's good enough for us. Next up, we're going to have an indexer. And the indexer is going to listen to the EVM events coming from the smart contracts, and it's going to store them into a Postgres database. And then once they're properly indexed and massaged, we're going to serve this data over a GraphQL API onto a web user experience. And as you can see, this is an early stage project and there's not much documentation or planning. We just want to roll with it. And as such, there's a lot of uncertainty. And in order to fight with that uncertainty and to just begin, we just said, all right, let's just start with whatever is easiest. And we determined that the smart contracts are the easiest part because they just impact everything downstream. So in the next video, you're going to see me and one of our members, Matthew Chan, coding the smart contract layer so we unlock and unblock the rest of the project. Thank you for watching.